had a little issue going on in the bathroom. Go figure, right? That seems to be our channel these days. But hey guys, welcome back to RV Living Yet. And are you someone who travels by yourself, or do you have multiple people traveling with you? Well, if you have multiple people traveling with you, this is definitely the video for you, because I'm going to solve an issue that is most likely going on in your bathroom. And no, I'm not talking about leaving the toilet seat up either. Alright, we're going to talk about a purchase we made a few weeks ago, and now that we've tried it out for a few weeks, I love it, and I know you will too if you are traveling with multiple people. So, most likely you have upgraded your shower head. Now, if you haven't and you were thinking about doing it, I'll put a link above on the installation of our Oxygenic shower head, and I also did one on the dispenser for your soap with your soap and shampoo. So if you are looking to install a soap dispenser, then I will leave a link above for that as well. But let's get back to the shower head. Our issue was when we bought the Oxygenic shower head, what was happening is it came with this attachment to the wall. So because Rob's at one height and I'm at another, he would have it at his height, but it really didn't help me out because it went over my head. So I would have to bring it down. And what was happening is the ball like pretty much gave out. So no matter what position you put it in, it was going to the bottom position. So we went ahead and we found this attachment by Oxygenics. Now it is installed with 3M tape, and we have been using it for a few weeks now, and honestly we love it. So when Rob needs it up, there's a button right here, and you just push it. You can alter the height that it's at. So with the simple click of a button, you put it wherever you want to go. So I feel like this is the perfect attachment. Alright guys, so we really like this purchase after a few weeks. It's definitely done what we needed it to do. Rob no longer has to do the limbo to take a shower, and I no longer have to tippy toe it out. So this is definitely a good purchase. If you have the same issue in your rig and you were looking for a solution and this might be it for you, I'm going to leave a link below for you, okay? We're going to leave this video short and sweet, just the way we like it. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye now. Hey guys, welcome.
Traveling with Sasquatch.
That's what we're going to do. Well, if you're traveling with multiple people, we're going to...